I used to have to go to the notice board in the break room for all the news and information. Now I have everything important directly on my cell phone and I can find out what's relevant for me in just 2 clicks. I think it's great that this app is there for everyone, for both administration and for us in production.
The Employee app is a game changer for all of us here in India. The transition feature enables us to share information quickly and easily.
The new employee platform gives us all mobile access to information. Our production employees in particular benefit from this. The replacement of the bulletin board is therefore an important step towards a digital communication future for MAHLE. Thanks to Flip for this successful Stuttgart technology partnership.
In the app, we share the most important information in a timely and concise manner. In this way, we create a focus on the relevant corporate news. Additionally, we can reach a specific location or group of people in a targeted and easy way. It used to take 2 weeks to get all the employees informed and included. Today, with our employee app, it takes only 2 seconds.
With the app, we now have not only simultaneous, but also equal communication for all employees within the corporation. This step is a very special one in the long history of MAHLE. We can reach all our 72,000 colleagues even better using the app.